everyone. Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the Gimili Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. If you're looking to bring a touch of modern elegance and convenience to your kitchen, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the features, installation process and overall performance of this sleek and innovative faucet. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things kitchen related. The Gimili faucet is cloaked in a captivating matte black finish, exuding an air of understated elegance. It's a statement piece that complements any kitchen style, from contemporary minimalism to rustic charm. The smooth, fingerprint-resistant surface adds a touch of luxury and keeps your faucet looking pristine. This faucet isn't just about aesthetics. It's packed with practical features that make your life easier. The pull-down sprayer extends for effortless cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, while the spray mode lets you switch between a powerful stream and a gentle spray for delicate tasks. And, for added peace of mind, the leak-proof design ensures years of worry-free use. Now, let's move on to the installation process. Many of you might be wondering, is it easy to install? Well, I'm happy to report that Gimili has made the installation process quite user-friendly. The package includes all the necessary components, and the step-by-step instructions are clear and concise. If you're comfortable with basic plumbing tasks, you should be able to handle the installation on your own. However, if you're unsure, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional plumber. I have to say, the installation process took me less than an hour, and I'm not exactly a DIY expert. Gimili has really designed this faucet with the user in mind, making it accessible to a wide range of homeowners. Now, let's talk about performance. The touchless technology is not just a gimmick, it's a practical feature that adds a level of hygiene to your kitchen. The water flow is consistent, and the different spray settings come in handy for various tasks. The matte black finish is not only stylish, but also easy to clean, and the durability of the faucet is evident in its construction. Here are some key features of the Gimili Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Touchless technology. This faucet uses a motion sensor to turn the water on and off, so you don't have to touch it with your hands. This is a great feature for hygiene and convenience, especially if you're cooking with messy ingredients. Multifunctional sprayer. The faucet has a pull-down spray with 2 spray modes, a stream for filling pots and pans and a spray for rinsing dishes. Easy to install. The faucet comes with all the necessary hardware for installation, and it can be installed in a single hole. Durable construction. The faucet is made from solid brass with a matte black finish, so it's built to last. Battery-powered. The faucet is powered by 4 air batteries, which are included. Automatic shut-off. The faucet will automatically shut off after 3 minutes of inactivity to prevent water waste. Deck plate optional. The faucet can be used with or without a deck plate. 2-year warranty. The faucet comes with a 2-year warranty. Here are some additional things to consider when purchasing a touchless kitchen faucet. The sensitivity of the motion sensor. You want a sensor that is sensitive enough to turn on the water when you wave your hand near it, but not so sensitive that it turns on accidentally. The spray pattern of the sprayer. Make sure the sprayer has a spray pattern that is suitable for your needs. The finish of the faucet. Choose a finish that will match your kitchen decor. The Gimili Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet is a well-featured and stylish faucet that would be a great addition to any kitchen. It's also very affordable. making it a great value for the money. Here are some pros and cons about Gimili Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Pros: touchless convenience, modern and stylish, multifunctional sprayer, easy to install. Cons: battery operated, sensor sensitivity, limited temperature range. Overall, the Gimili Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet is a great option for those who are looking for a stylish and convenient faucet with touchless operation. However, it is important to be aware of the potential drawbacks, such as the need to replace batteries and the possibility of the sensor being too sensitive. Well, that wraps up our review and installation guide for the Gimili Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow K. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more reviews and